Welcome to Inspira, a rare freehold gem nested in the heart of Robinson Key. This is not just a home, it's a lifestyle statement. Today I'll be showcasing you a stunning 1561 square feet, 4-bedroom converted into 3-bedroom unit. And this unit is designed by Peter Tay. He is a celebrity interior designer to all international stars and also a President Design Award winner. Step into this luxurious move-in ready apartment. Get a feel how the interior designer created the premium finishing and the thoughtful layout for this whole house, making this house a true designer home.
One of the standout features of this unit is the conversion of a common bedroom into a spacious walk-in wardrobe. This bespoke addition elevates the practicality and luxurious of the space, offering ample storage and a touch of indulgence. Now let's step onto the balcony. Here you'll be treated to the breathtaking views of the Singapore city skyline. Imagine enjoying a nightly light show from MBS and Art Science Museum, or front row seating to the fireworks during Chinese New Year, National Day, etc., all from the comfort of your home. The kitchen is a chef dream, equipped with high-end appliances and designed for both functionality and style. Whether you are preparing for a casual meal or hosting a dinner party, this space has it all. The master bedroom is a tranquil retreat, offering a peaceful escape with its plush finishing and abundant natural lights. The en-suite bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring premium finishing fittings and a spa-like ambiance. Beyond this exquisite unit, the Inspira offers a wealth of amenities. Take a dip in the pool, work out in the fully equipped gym, or unwind a lush, landscaped garden. The development is designed to cater to every needs, ensuring a lifestyle of comfort and convenience. Location is everything. The Inspira is perfectly situated in the heart of Robertson Quay. Just steps away, you'll find New Barrow, the latest lifestyle destination and creative enclave. Explore the vibrant dining and entertainment options along the Singapore River, or head to nearby Clark Quay and Boat Quay for the nights out. For shopping and convenience, Great World City and Orchard Road are just minutes away. Whether you are looking for a retail therapy or gourmet dining, everything is within easy reach. Connectivity is seamless here. We are nearby to Somerset and Dhoby Ghaut MRT. Not forgetting Fort Canning and Great World MRT, also nearby, making it easy for us to get around the city.
This is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle that you might be looking for, living in the heart of Robinson Key, with all the private amenities nearby you. Don't miss this opportunity to own this luxurious designer home. Call me for a private viewing.
Contact Delvin Lim from OrangeTee AAG.